Launder your clothes, a step-by-step guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a practical phrase that you'll often encounter in daily life: launder your clothes. Understanding this phrase not only helps you with your English language journey but also guides you through a common household chore. Let's get started. The phrase, launder your clothes, means to wash and clean your clothing. It encompasses a series of steps taken to remove dirt, stains, and odors from fabric. This phrase is commonly used in both personal and professional contexts. When someone says they need to launder their clothes, they're generally referring to the entire process of washing, drying, and sometimes ironing their garments. Step 1. Sorting your clothes. Before you start, it's essential to sort your clothes by color and fabric type. This prevents colors from bleeding onto lighter fabrics and ensures that each garment is washed under its ideal conditions. Step 2. Choosing the right detergent. Select a detergent that suits the fabric type and color of your clothes. There are special detergents for colored fabrics, delicates, and heavily soiled items. Step 3. Washing your clothes. You can launder your clothes using a washing machine or by hand. The method you choose depends on the fabric care instructions found on the clothing labels. Ensure to select the appropriate washing cycle and water temperature. Step 4. Drying your clothes. After washing, clothes need to be dried. You can use a clothes dryer, hang them outside, or air dry indoors. Again, refer to the care labels for the best drying method for each garment. Step 5. Ironing and folding. The final step is to iron, if necessary, and fold your clothes. This leaves them looking neat and ready for wear or storage. 1. Pre-treat stains before washing to ensure they come out in the wash. 2. Do not overload your washing machine, as this can result in less effective cleaning. 3. Use cold water for washing to save energy and prevent color fading. 4. Clean your washing machine regularly to maintain its efficiency and prevent odors. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to laundering your clothes. We hope this video has demystified the phrase, launder your clothes, and provided you with practical knowledge you can apply in your everyday life. Remember, taking good care of your garments not only keeps them looking fresh but also extends their lifespan. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning tips. Happy laundering, and see you in our next video.